So I made this awesome movie trailer using a free AI video generation tool, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you guys can make it too. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so this AI tool is called the Pixverse Ai, and this is their website. You can also find the link in the description below. And these are some featured videos that people have already generated using this AI tool. These are some trailer videos, beer commercials, and all the other different things. I cannot play the whole video because of the copyright issues, but you guys can get the idea. Now let's get access to this AI tool, and you have to click on this get started in a web. Previously this was working on a Discord, and back then I already made a video on this AI tool, but right now they have their web interface, which is a really good thing. So these are a couple of more videos featuring by this AI tool, like the cartoon animations. These are some stock footages kind of things, and there's a lot to watch in this featured video section. Now to create your own videos, you have to click on this create button and you will be redirected to this page. So these are a couple of videos that I was generating previously, and here you guys can see we have two options. We have the text to video and image to video. So first of all, let's cover the text to video. So inside of the text to video, you can see we have this space to enter the prompt, and you can enter the negative prompt, and then we have a couple of styles like the realistic, anime, and 3D animations. We have the aspect ratios. You can control the seed numbers. Now let's give it a prompt and generate some videos. A beautiful ocean view during sunset, couple, romantic. And in the negative prompt, let's add the keywords like the bed anatomy, double hands, double heads, and these kind of words. And I'm gonna try this in the realistic style. So we're gonna try all of these styles like the realistic, anime, and 3D animations. And one more good thing about this AI tool, that you can generate 4 videos at a time. So that's a good thing. Okay, the results are ready, and it's really fast actually. So these are the results from the realistic one, and you guys can see it looks really good. I don't know why it generated a lesbian couple instead of a man or woman, but the results are good. And these are the results from the anime style. There is some weird transition in it, but overall it looks really good. And these are the results from the 3D animation. But I think the anime style works best in most of the cases, because I have already tried few generations earlier and it worked really good for me. And you guys can also see the settings that it used to generate this video. This is the prompt, this is the seed number, this is the aspect ratio, and the style. And there is one more useful option, that we have a built-in upscaler. So let's upscale these videos. So this is the upscale version, and look at the quality now. It's so much detailed. And this is the upscale version of the realistic one, and look at that, how better it is now. It's looking really good, really detailed. It's nearly achieving the HD quality, I would say. It's amazing. Now let's try its image to video model. That is my favorite model, because this is so fun to play with this model. So here you have the option to upload your asset, your image, then we have the space to enter the prompt. Unfortunately, we don't have any negative prompt in this one, but it still works really good. Then you can control the motion strength, seed number. So I'm gonna get to that later, but let's upload any image. So click on the upload file, and I'm gonna select this image of a sniper lady. So I made all of these images inside of the Midjourney. You can use any of your favorite image generation model. Now you can enter the prompt, a sniper lady taking a shot. Then we have to control the motion strength. So selecting the higher values will add more motion, and selecting the lower values will add less motion in the video. So it's a scale between 0 to 1. So let's try the 0.5, and so the seed number will be a default one, and then I'm gonna select the HD quality. So it can take more time to generate the video, but the output will be really high quality, and I want to get the most out of this AI, and hit create. Well, you can also generate a video without entering any prompt. So I'm gonna remove this prompt, and let's generate. And I will generate this video at different motion values. So this will be around 0.3, and this will be around 0.4, and let's see how much difference it makes. Okay, so all of the results are ready, and let's compare them side by side. So these are the results with the prompt and the motion strength 0.5. and you can see it messed up with the face a little bit. And these are the results without a prompt and the same motion values, and look at that, it looks more appealing than the video with the prompt. So I think you should go without a prompt. And you guys can see it messed up with the eye a little bit, but the gun motion looks really natural. And these are the results with the motion values 0.24, and I think this looks best in all of them because the video composition, the movement looks very natural in this one. And the best thing, you can upscale your videos even after generating in the HD quality. So let's upscale this video. So this is the upscale version, and look at the quality. This is amazing. It just blown my mind. So these was all of the videos that I generated inside of this AI tool. Because this is free, so you can try generating your video multiple times if you don't get the desired results. So show your creativity, play around with the different values, try different images, try different concepts, and generate some awesome videos. So that's it from this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.